Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how to log out from your Kindle account. For that, you need to simply first of all open the Kindle applications. Once you open the Kindle application, you will reach on the home page of Kindle. Once you are signed in on the Kindle application, on the bottom right corner, you will be able to see the More button. Simply tap on More. Now on the bottom of the screen, again you'll be able to see the sign out button. Simply tap on sign out. Now you need to again tap on sign out to confirm that you are signing out of your Amazon apps on this device. So this shows that you have already been logged out or signed out from the Kindle account on the Kindle applications. I hope this video was useful for you. If this video was useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming uploads from our channel. Thank you.